Somebody's got lockjaw. Maybe he'll let go, but it's been here for a few minutes already. Come on, dude, let go. Come on. Let go. Oh, damn. Hi. You gonna let go? Good God. See, he's picking the whole stick up. Let go, dude. Let go. Stop biting my sweatshirt. You're biting your damn tongue. What are you doing? You can let go. Stop biting my sweater. Jesus, woman. Come on, dude. See his eyes sunk in like that? That's because his jaw's clamped on there so hard. Let go, Thor. Come on. Do I have to dunk you in the water? I don't like putting vinegar in your mouth. I'm gonna dunk you in the water. I'm gonna let go of the stick. Look, he's picking up this whole stick. Come on, dude. Good God. Damn. Somebody's got an attitude.